If you're concerned about Google Ads dynamic structured snippets causing issues with your ads, I'm going to show you how to switch them on and off here really quick. First, what even are structured snippets? Well, this is from a really old blog on the Google website where you can see it shows at the very bottom of the ad, it says styles, and then has different types of leather boots, combat boots, cowboy boots, etc. It's essentially additional information that can help people understand what you offer. And with dynamic structured snippets, these are actually manually set up here where we're entering in exactly what we want to show on our ads. But with the dynamic structured snippets, Google is just going to choose information from your website like product types, services, or categories, things of that nature. And you don't have to write them yourself. Google's just going to generate them for you, pull them into your ads. Now, having structured snippets can help with click-through rates, so you definitely want to have those associated with your ads. But 9 times out of 10, it's best to actually manually set these up in here. I have another video on my channel that explains exactly how to set up manually the structured snippet extensions, so I'll link to that down below in the description. But if you do want to enable structured snippets dynamically, first thing you're going to want to do is come into campaigns and then go under assets right here. You should see a collection of assets. Maybe you don't have anything set up. You can, I'm just viewing the structured snippets by selecting this option right here. But either way, there's going to be these 3 dots over here where it says more. If you click on this and then click account level automated assets, that's going to show us any automated assets. Actually, I have to go to all campaigns here. It will show us any automatic assets that have been set up for this account. And this happens at the account level. That's why I was selecting a campaign and it wasn't showing anything, because the dynamic extensions happen for the entire account. And that's part of where the benefit can get a little bit dicey, because Google might be associating the wrong assets with your ads. So if you're selling boots and it's giving shoe types as your structured snippets, then that's not really going to help you in the long run, right? And that's why having control by just doing it manually at the campaign level is often the best way to do this. So I would assume most people who are looking to find these settings are actually going to want to turn these off because it's causing issues. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, we need to see that this is actually turned on, and you can see it is. It says legacy. So this is kind of like, these used to be in a different location, but Google moved them around and kind of makes them hidden now, which I'm not a big fan of. But we do need to come over here to more once again, click on this, and then go to advanced settings. Once we do that, now we are going to see all of the dynamic assets here that we can enable or disable by turning them on or off. So we have dynamic structured snippets here. You can see that it is turned on. Of course, Google's recommending it, even though it's maybe not the best for your ads. It has a little example here where there's a little headline or title and then, all the snippets afterwards. So if you want to turn it off, just select off. And then for the reason, say I'm not confident about performance or I'm concerned about performance, and then click save. Now those are off. They won't be showing on the ads anymore. And this actually goes for any of these you might see in here. Sometimes the dynamic images are screwing things up, or sometimes site links. It'll just keep creating site links and you're like, why does it keep doing this? Or structured snippets for that matter. So that's, basically how you turn them off. To turn them back on, it's pretty easy. Just go here, click save. Basically the same thing. I'm going to leave these off for now because it's probably not going to get us that good of results in this case. Now, one other thing to point out, when we come back here to the account level automated assets, there's going to be some information in terms of the metrics associated with these assets. And you can't really click on a structured snippet. So when it says clicks, what it's actually telling you is that when this dynamic structured snippet shows on your ads, you've gotten 727 clicks. And that's out of 26,000 impressions. So these dynamic structured snippets have shown up 26,000 times along with your ad, but your ad got 727 clicks while the asset was associated with the ad. So that gives you a click-through rate, a cost per click, a cost, a bunch of different stuff here. So it's just important to note that it's not necessarily telling you, hey, your snippet got this many clicks or this many conversions or whatever. It's just saying, of the times that it showed with your ad, this is how your ad performed. So this is actually more like ad performance with this snippet associated. or with this asset, any of these assets associated. So that's sort of an overview of things. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.